doing a video, and today, I am playing with Miss Katie again, and I am playing Blood Escape. I used to play this actually on my first Roblox account. It was actually called my YouTube channel name, but now it's not because I forgot the password to that one day. Not gonna say the reason why, but I just ended up doing that. So I wasn't very good at it, but I did get some wins. I've only got 3 wins now because it kind of went dead after I lost my account kind of. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Hopefully I'm not too bad, and if it's embarrassing, I'll put embarrassing in the title. But anyways, let's get on with the video. So we're going to do some training first because I haven't played this since the start I created this account, because quite a while ago. Agility. Let's try. If you don't know what Blood Escape is, it's a game. It's like a parkour game, but you've got to like make sure to. If there's red buttons, you've got to make them green. So there's a red button somewhere, and you've got to make them green in order to escape. And at some point, water will rise up, and you have to escape from the water. Okay, I've done my agility one. This is what happens at the end. You just have to like guess a random code. You have to guess a okay, done that one. Done it. Okay, done that one. Okay, 5 training points. Let's do this one. Oh, I just got great. I don't know why. Like I just went like that. Yellow. Made it. Platform will be chosen. Okay. Blue. Yellow. Okay. I'll do a few more turns of this and then I'll go back to agility. Yellow. Red. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna do one more round of this. Get ready. Okay, we're on yellow. Good. I do one more. One more of this. Get ready. Oh, okay. Okay, we're going to go do a proper one now. Let's see you in the next round. Proper round. And medium, since it's in intermission. So there's 5, 6 players left to 6. Oh no! Oh no. I haven't done these maps in a while. Oh. So the red one went I'm very bad. Oh no. Oh my gosh, you little savior. Oh, she went bye bye. No. Same. I couldn't do it anyway because there was like one button that needed to be left in like the thing, and the water was. I know, but the water was like on it. So let's wait until the next list. Oh no, yeah, use a different recorder. I don't. Oh, weird. Oh, I didn't realise. I didn't realise. I did not realise. I'm so sorry. See you in the next one. I'm just gonna follow everyone else because most people are going to the exit rather than the light. What way do I go? In the middle. Okay. Up and round. Up and round. 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 Okay, jump. Hey! We're safe. See you on the map. Let's go. See if we can. Whoa. Whoa. What way? Oh no. Yeah, that's English, math and science. Yeah, we're fine with that. Cause yeah, and we've got lots of subjects. There's art, drama, science, RE, music, computing, wood tech, wood tech, textiles. But well, they're like, yeah. If you don't know what DTE stands for, it's like design technology, something like that. Oh my god, I got it right. Graphics. Yeah. 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 We're going into the second year of high school, which is year 8. Oh, I don't like this one. Confuses me so much. Does it confuse you? Wait, did you already do the top? Wait, why is this kid waiting? Okay. Okay. No, I didn't. Yay, oh my god. I hope. I'm just gonna help. Yes! Come on side. Come on. Oh! I done it! We done it! Yes! We done it! Yay! Yeah. Yeah, because we certainly will. If you like these type of videos, then we definitely will. If you like watching me embarrass... Oh! If you like watching me embarrass myself... Whoa! What way? This way. This way. This way. I'm not gonna do it! Oh! Ah! I banged my head. Okay, well that was an embarrassing note to end on, but you know, let's do it together. Well, anyways, I am ending my video here because I don't want it being too long, because that means you guys probably won't want to watch a 15-minute video of me trying to escape. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I forgot. Subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if you enjoyed the video down below in the comments, and I will totally do a part 2 if you would like that. Make sure to hit the notification bell after you subscribe, because that means you will be the first to know when I upload, and that's good because I could give an announcement like I'm doing a giveaway. And if I ever hit 300, I will certainly do a giveaway. Maybe on Bloxburg or something like that. And subscribe to Monkey, because monkeys are awesome and everyone's awesome, even if they're not monkeys at that time. If you would like to subscribe and enjoy the awesome monkeys that are already in my group, then you can. My Instagram and my my Instagram and my Roblox group info is in the description below, so if you'd like to go check this out, you can. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in another video.